No, we don't need your help right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. I'm gonna check for yourselves. Make sure you guys are focused. Alright.
Hey, Chloe.
Hi,
You ready to cook?
Daddy. Yeah.
Do you know what we're making today? Today we're gonna make one of my favorite foods.
You said
Today we're gonna make one of my favorite foods. We're gonna make
what?
chicken pot pie. So, this is not the chicken pot pie that you're thinking of, like that one. This is a Pennsylvania Dutch chicken pot pie. Pretty unique to PA. So if you are outside of PA, you probably have never had this before. So here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need that chicken soup base that I made in the last video. If you didn't see it, check it out. And here's what else we're gonna need.
Is this an onion?
Yeah?
Is this a carrot?
It is a carrot.
Is this potato?
Yes, it's potatoes.
Is this sauce?
Uh-huh.
Is this pepper?
It is pepper, good. And,
Is this noodles?
yeah, these are noodles. These are Mrs. Miller's old-fashioned large pot pie squares. I don't know if you're gonna be able to find these in your local store. I know where to get them in PA and I know where I get them. And a lot of times my mom gets them for me. Thank you, Mom. But if you can't find these on your own, you can check out the description below that's listed in the description. But if they're not in your area, you can also use any type of egg noodle. But these square noodles are the best. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right.
Cut your carrots to bite-sized pieces. Place your onion into small pieces. Cut your potato into bite-sized chunks. Put them in water so they don't turn brown. Put your carrots and onion into a pot and boil in water. Add your salt and pepper. That is our salt, Daddy. Boil until they soft. Now you could add your potatoes. Once your potatoes start to soften, put in your chicken soup base. Once it boils, you could add your noodles. Stir often so your noodles don't stick together. Daddy uses half a bag of noodles. Cook until your noodles are soft. Daddy is ready. Hi, Chloe, ready to try it? Alright. Get some pot pie noodles. About a carrot. I'm gonna chicken in there. You want some soup? Soup? A lot of soup. A lot of soup. Okay, there you go. There's a lot of soup. I gotta blow on it because it's hot. I can't wait. Well, I'm not gonna wait. It is too hot.
Mine's good. Why don't you try it? Try it. You're gonna hyperventilate. Give it a try. It's ready to go. Give it a try. No?
Okay.
How is it?
It's salty.
Be careful with your salt, because if you put in too much. I only put it in that one time you saw too. How is it? Good?
It's salty.
What am I gonna say? You saw I added that. What?
What? You almost broke the table.
No, I didn't. How is it?
Good.
How is it?
Salty.
How is it?
Good.
Alright, you wanna say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Come on! Say bye to everybody!
Bye.
Bye-bye. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.